Want an affordable and all-natural hair dye? Look no further. In today's video, I will show you this amazing creamy hair dye that will help to cover your grays. It will give the hair a nice color. It will strengthen the hair strands, conditions, and much more. So let's start by prepping the hair for washing. I love to part the hair in two so it's easier to manage. Here's a little bit about me. Welcome to our health and wellness family. I am Charlene. I have been practicing natural and holistic health for over 25 years. I was an assistant vitamin manager, and I'm very grateful that I've helped thousands of people over the years to improve their health using healthy foods as natural medicine and natural supplements as needed. We're going to start by removing all the shed hairs. Once you're finished with that section, pin it up and go on to the next section. Now repeat the same process for this section. Please note I'm almost 50 and I maintain my hair at shoulder length so it's easier to manage. I'm going to use a piece of fresh aloe vera leaf and apply it to the hair directly. Here's some aloe vera hair benefits. Aloe vera hydrates the hair strands, soothes itchy or irritated scalp, and it helps to strengthen the hair. Use whatever hair washing method you like. This is just my personal hair washing method. Sometimes I use aloe vera. If I don't have aloe vera, I'll just go ahead and proceed on without it. Please note that off camera, I've already added my coconut oil clarifying treatment with some essential oils in it. This clarifying oil treatment was used on my scalp to remove hair buildup and prevent dandruff. I'm applying the aloe vera gel to the next section. Make sure you coat everywhere really well from scalp to tip. Next, apply your favorite deep conditioner. Please note that you could have just shampooed the hair and go straight into dyeing the hair, but I wanted to do a deep conditioning on my hair first before I do any dyeing. That's just my procedure. Apply a generous amount of conditioner to the hair. I'm just applying an additional hair mask. Pin the hair up, and then we're gonna go ahead and just put the plastic cap on. Put the cap on and let it stay for about 15 to 20 minutes or whatever you prefer. At this stage, we have already washed the conditioner out and then washed and shampooed the hair. Now the hair is all ready for dyeing. Because I've been using this product for years, I'm only doing the grays at the root. So about half a bottle normally works for me. Here's a close-up of what the dye looks like. I love to start around my edges, but you can do whatever you prefer. I don't use a hair dyeing brush, I just use my hands, of course with gloves on. This henna dye does stain, so make sure you have your gloves on properly. I'm now going down the middle of the hair. This henna dye is unisex, so it can be used for both women and men. Part the hair into small sections and apply the dye to it. My hair is really curly, so I'm just stretching it out for a better application. Please make sure you spread it out evenly on all of the grays or anywhere that you want the dye. I'm so happy that this henna dye is a cream, so you won't have any hair dye dripping all over the scalp. Please note I'm by a window and the sun keeps going in and out, so it's changing the different lighting. I love using natural light whenever I'm shooting a video. I love this henna dye. It's so easy to apply and it's all natural without the harsh chemicals. The color I'm using is the golden blonde, but they have 15 different shades. Continue applying the hair dye until you have coverage everywhere you want it. I'm all done with the dyeing process. Next, just put a plastic cap on and sit for about an hour. I usually dye my hair about every 6 weeks. At this stage, I already washed the dye out of my hair and let it air dry, and I'm now just running a heat brush through it. Style your hair whichever way you like. This is just my process that I'm showing you. Please note, I always use my hair growth moisturizer and my hair growth oil. I use them before styling and after styling to maintain the health of my hair. Here's a close-up of my roots that I just dyed. The grays are all gone and you can get a nice color depending on the color that you chose. From here, I like to style my hair and put some bantu knots in it to get some curls or some waves. These are my natural and organic hair products that I use when I'm styling my hair. This is an example how your hair might look after you release the bantu knots. Depending on how small or big you do them, you can get some curls, some tighter curls, or some waves. So there you have it, my easy and affordable DIY henna application at home. To help you improve your health, please pick up a copy of my book and my natural and holistic health course on sale at shirleenwees.com. It would mean the world to me, supports this channel, and thank you in advance. I also want to say thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with family and friends. And until next time, be blessed and stay healthy.